heard quite a lot this morning already about different opportunities for the water sector to reduce its energy use and improve its carbon footprint. One area touched on is around storage. It's something that's increased hugely in the last year in terms of people coming to us in the water industry and saying, how can we use assets, water company assets, to help the local grid stay in balance, and that can be around storage or demand side response. So I can only see that taking off and developing in quite exciting ways over the next few years.
I think in terms of what I think is the most exciting opportunity at the moment in the water sector, I think there's a high-level thing. I think there's a lot of change that's happening, potential deregulation, changes in terms of how regulation works, such as TOTEX. And I think all of those bits together just give us a whole new set of tools for doing different renewable projects and different opportunities. So it's a range of changes that will bring a whole pile of different opportunities together.
It's been an interesting journey for us. 3 years back when I came first to this conference, everybody knew the value of big data. They believed that there is a value in analysis, but nobody knew about it. What is the size of this beast? But 3 years down the line, with so much of changes happening within the market, there is water is going into retail, there is a huge pressure on reducing the cost, there is a price regulation. There is nothing but only one challenge: how to reduce cost on month by month, on a year by year basis. Now when it comes to that kind of pressure, the organization have no other option but to try using big data analytics to save energy.
From an exciting opportunity, we should word it as we need to exploit the opportunities, what you've heard today, particularly dynamic demand, imbalance and loads on the grid. That's going to be becoming more important. But also the informed choices, what your electronic systems can give operators in the field, because that's key. If you can use both people interfaces and IT, computer interfaces to control your consumption, I think that's crucial going forward.
I think the challenges facing the water industry at the moment from an energy perspective is always going to be price. Whatever way you look at it, there's an inexorable upward trend in terms of price. So the opportunities, I think, are manyfold, but it's about becoming in control of your energy. Controlling your energy basically in two ways. First of all, obviously in avoiding as much cost as you possibly can, and that has a bottom line impact as well. But there are very many new methods now in terms of accessing new revenue streams, which will add genuine, brand new value to the bottom line in terms of income, in terms of cash. So I think that's the challenge. How do you get that balance between cost avoidance and revenue generation, whilst of course focusing on your core business, which is the water industry itself?
I think one of the most exciting things from the water industry event today has been the understanding of TOTEX and opportunities around perhaps flexibility in pricing and funding models, but also how behaviours is a key factor across everybody here today, and that we need to all look at that. Plus, I think that there's a lot more data out there now than we used to understand, and I think bringing that together will give some really good opportunities to bring down TOTEX.